Welcome to this tutorial on setting up SAML Single Sign-On for Jira using miniOrange as your identity provider. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete configuration process so you can enable secure, seamless login for your Jira users. Click the Configure button to begin setting up SAML SSO for Jira. Click on Add New IdP. Go to Quick Setup and select miniOrange as your identity provider. Choose Manually configuring the metadata of the IdP to continue. Next, open the miniOrange IdP portal. Enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, click Apps in the sidebar, and then click on Add Application. In the search bar, type Jira, and choose Jira SAML to configure. Now, go back to the miniOrange Jira SAML app and copy the SP entity ID. Switch to the miniOrange IdP portal, and paste it into the respective field. Then, return to the Jira SAML app, and copy the ACS URL, and paste it in the required field in the miniOrange IdP. Click Next to proceed. Next, click on Add Attribute. Enter first name as attribute name, and select the appropriate attribute value that matches first name. Again, click on Add Attribute. Then enter last name as the attribute name. Select the appropriate attribute value that matches last name. Click Next. Again, click Next on the Login Policy tab. In the Advanced Settings tab, review all the fields, and save the configuration. Now switch back to the miniOrange Jira SAML app. Click Proceed to move forward with the SSO setup. Now select the way you want to add IdP metadata. Choose I have the metadata URL of my IdP. Then, return to the miniOrange IdP portal, locate the Jira application, click the three dots on the far right, and select Metadata. Copy the metadata URL, and paste it into the metadata URL field in the Jira SAML app. Click Save to finish the setup. Next, go to the test URL to verify the configuration. Click and copy it. Open the URL on Incognito tab to test. Click Corporate Login button. Enter your miniOrange credentials when prompted. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a Test Successful message along with the attributes received. Click Proceed to continue. In the User Profiles section, map the IdP attributes for first name and last name. Click Save and Proceed. Then, click on Save and Proceed in User Groups, and click Finish. From now on, when you log into Jira, you'll see the User Corporate Login option. Click it and you will be redirected to the miniOrange IdP login page. Enter your credentials. And after a successful login, you'll be redirected to Jira. You can check your profile to confirm that user details are fetched correctly from the IdP. You've now successfully configured SAML Single Sign-On for Confluence using miniOrange as your identity provider. Thank you for watching, and for more resources or support, visit www.miniorange.com.